Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to tell you about algebra. So what is algebra? Don't try to memorize. It is all about puzzles, nothing else. So we can see one example here. If we have this here, we are taking a puzzle, something plus 4 is 9. So we need to know what exactly goes in here, the box, to make answer 9 that will plus with 4. So you can see we have 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So 5 is the number that we don't know, but if we put 5 here, then add 4, it will give you 9. So we just need to find out what numbers go into this box. So this can also be written as in other form, taking alphabets. So combination of alphabets and numbers is algebra. So if I denote this as x plus 4 equals to 9. So then this x is called variable. Its name is variable because this letter can represent many different values. So that's why its value is varying, so we name it as variable, or we can also call it as unknown. Because we don't know the value of this, so that's why we call it unknown, because its value is not known to us. The other question the students ask me, why algebra? Why not all the time we are using shapes? So let me give you one example. So if I suppose I have, I want to write down something, I can denote this by different shapes as you are doing in primary. Like I take one shape plus another shape plus triangle plus any number 4, this gives you 7. So to make the thing simple, what is the advantage of writing the variables? We can see if I denote this unknown as x, then plus, let's say this is y, this is z, this is 4, then we have 7. So you can see the advantage. Instead of drawing all these shapes again and again, we can just write it down in terms of x, y and z. So x, y, z are the most common alphabets that we are using in algebra, but otherwise you can use any of them starting from A to Z, whatever you like. Let's try to see what is the advantage of using algebra. So let's see this story. You have this story. Your friend had few chocolates with him. A monkey came across, took away 5 of his chocolates, and then he had only 7 chocolates remaining with him. How many chocolates did he have before the monkey came to him? If you read this story, you have almost 40 words in this. So to shorten this, let's try to make this question shorten a bit or make it simple. So let's see. Your friend has few chocolates. What are those few chocolates? We don't know that. Let's say it is x with him, and monkey came across, he took away 5 chocolates. So he has x chocolates, he took away 5, and then he had only 7 chocolates remaining with him. So he have 7. So what is the remaining amount? Is 7. So then what we need to know here, we just need to find out x. So you can see these 40 word story can be written as in single sentence. This is how makes algebra our life easier. So now we are able to define algebra. So writing algebraic expression. So an algebraic expression is a group of letters and numbers linked by operation signs. So we can use here x, y, z, a, b, c, whatever you want. Then we need here plus, minus, division, multiplication, any of the operation signs. So each part of the expression is called a term. So like I can give one example here. Let's say 4x plus 3. So this has two terms here and it is separated by plus sign. So we will learn more about the terms and like terms, how to operate this in the next video. Here we are just focusing on algebra. Now let's see how we can form algebraic operations. You can see the first example, a number times 4. So a number, this is unknown. So let's take any number. Let me take this here, because it's a number, I can take n times 4. So this will be 4n. A number times 4, unknown times 4, that is 4n. Second, the sum of two numbers and 5. Now we have sum, that is addition of two numbers. So we have two unknowns here. So let us take this m plus n, sum of two numbers and 5. So we have two unknowns here plus 5. Example number 3, 6 times the number minus 2. So again the number, now we can take again x. 6 times the number. 6 times the number, that is 6x minus 2. So this is the expression for 6 times the number minus 2. Next, half of the number. So let us, our number is x, half of this divide by 2, or we can write it down x over 2. It's the same thing. So you can see, let me revise it again. A number times 4 is 4n. The sum of two numbers and 5, two numbers m, n and 5, and sum of them. 6 times the number minus 2, 6 times x minus 2. Then half of the number, will divide it by 2. So we can see we have used here different alphabets and different operational signs. Multiplication, addition, minus and division. Now next is how we will know the values of these variables. It depends upon the value of these alphabets, what is the value of the expression. So this one of the methods is the substitution method. You may be given some values, like if a is 2, b is 8. So what will be the value of ab? So let us do this. So a is 2 here, 2 times b is 8. So 2 times 8 is 16. So 16 is the value of this expression AB. So now here in this you have 3 times B. 3 times B is 8 minus 2, value of A is 2. So 3 times 8 is 24 minus 4. So your answer is 20. So you can see we can substitute the values of the alphabets which are given to us to find out the value of the expression. So the other example here is 2a cubed. Now a, value of a is 2 and it is cubed. So you all know that we are going to multiply this by 2 itself by 3 times. 2 times 2 4 times 2 8 times 2 16. So your answer is 16 in this case. Another example may be 2a. 2 times a is 2. Then in bracket a again 2. B is 8. So now we will simplify this. This is 2 times 2. If there is no sign here also, it's multiplication, times 2 plus 8 is 10. So this is 40. So you can see we can find out the value of the expression if you are given the values of the alphabets. So this is how we will deal with the alphabets and the signs in algebra.